Hidden deep in the mountains of New Jersey are the remains of a forgotten castle. This is Slyke Castle. Built in the early 1900s and later destroyed by arson in the 1950s, what remains today is only a fragment of what it was meant to be. Over time, nature reclaimed it, leaving behind walls without rooms and a structure without a purpose. From above, the scale becomes clear, hidden in plain sight, yet rarely seen like this. And even today, it remains a popular hiking destination, drawing visitors into the mountains to explore what's left behind. A forgotten piece of history, still standing, but slowly fading. One of New Jersey's most overlooked hidden places. And it's just one of many hidden castles waiting to be found. Would you explore this?